Okay, what do we have here?
This is I'm about to play Halo 3 ODST off of the Master Chief Collection. Halo 3 ODST is a game that one of my favorite games from my favorite sci-fi franchise called Halo, and this came out about right when I was a sophomore in high school. So not exactly new in today's gaming world right now, but it still holds a special place in my heart.
So we're getting the estimation of how well the new system that you just put together yesterday is going to perform with this game. And this is your first time gaming on the new gaming computer.
Yes, that is correct. It's kind of funny. There's a running joke with people with that builds these gaming PCs, and they go back to the popular choices to play games such as Call of Duty Zombies or Fortnite, and right now Marvel Rivals is a hot tip right now for me. But then there's people like me that just likes to play single player casually, and I resort to playing Halo. It's been a guilty pleasure of mine. Or not a guilty pleasure. It's just been a great pastime for me. Just when I deflate from taking breaks, such as doing martial arts or even teaching myself calculus. So
Okay, well, let's get to it.
all right. So So we got a cutscene here. Fun fact: Halo 3 ODST was the reason why I made the decision to, instead of joining the army, I joined the Marines instead.
Okay, fun fact. What kind of screen resolution we've got here? 240 hertz.
That is the what's it called? That's not the aspect.
It's good screen color. I mean, the colors look really bright and vibrant.
Yep, good ray tracing, OLED. Let's see. That's response time is 1 millisecond. Oh, by the way, fun fact, that's that person right there, that's Nate Filoni. He starred in Firefly, and I forgot her name, but she was also one of the Cylons in Battlestar Galactica. So they got some Bungie always.
Interesting. Yeah, fun fact. One of my favorite shows. Okay. So you're happy.
Essentially. I mean, yeah.
Great. All right. Thanks for the update, DJ.
No worries.
And we'll see you at the next build.
Yes, we will.
All right. We're here with DJ. He's